really stink. It smells, but
Whoa! Hi!
hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and first of all I want to tell you guys Happy New Year, because this video will come out already when we will be in the new year 2022. Okay, so yep. And I wanted to start the video like New Year, so I decided to try this fruit. This is a jackfruit. Yeah, I never tried before though, so why? I just hope I gonna make it to a new year after this. Cause I never tried before. I made some mushrooms, so I don't know if you can, mix them something. But so God go with me. I want to try it. Errol bought it yesterday, so one day it was in the fridge. So this is a jackfruit though. Is a jackfruit? If I hope me never run, I hope me never run. But I think a jackfruit. Why can't be? Yeah man, a jackfruit. So I'm gonna try it. So it did smell up my fridge. So yesterday I never had a chance to eat it. So in the morning I'm opening the fridge stink. Yeah, so fridge just smelled like a jackfruit. So anyway guys, it smells kind of like bubble gum, but I don't know, I threw it still one day in the fridge, so it kind of lost this charming smell, so it kind of smells rough now though. But I'm gonna try it. I never tried before. I like it. Back in the days when we used to live in Vietnam, I see it too in Vietnam. I see people did buy it, but I was kind of suspicious. But in Jamaica, almost all the fruits them taste sweet, so except watermelons. So I decided, God, Lord Jesus, I started yeah, I like it. You see? Never bagay it. So Errol said, Swaggy, if you name it, come and pay 500 Jamaican fee. So I don't want it to waste, so if you name it. So I like it. And I see them stink fruit them say, I don't know, kind of really stink. It smells, but you don't have that bad smell though. I like it. You have to Google what it's good for. It passed the test, so I'll go buy it again. Love it. Jabba, try some. It tastes good. See? Toothpick. Just stick it. It tastes good though. You tried? You know how it tastes?
I ate it for years.
I ate it in years. Tastes good though? See, I never made it spoil. You always tell me about spoil.
It's too expensive, but that's bad.
But you said 500 though. Not bad.
I'm sorry, quick.
No, little bit if you look at it. Enough. I couldn't finish it alone. Good.
That's where it comes from.
I like it. So from evening also seasoned some oxtail. So tomorrow we see oxtail. Yeah. Why? How long we need oxtail? I miss you. Soon see you tomorrow. Alright guys, watch this. This is our New Year dinner. Looks nice and ready to eat. So me eat it. Oxtail, ready. That's how we are gonna celebrate New Year, yeah? Yeah, that's our holiday plate. Yeah. So guys, I'm making this video and today it's December 31st, so you're probably watching me already in the year of 2022. Yep. And it feels kind of weird because Russia already met New Year. So my mom, she already messaged me, and I told her Happy New Year. She told me that it's a new year, like we just congratulated each other. Yeah. And we are still in Jamaica in the past. Yeah, in 2021, and the Russian people already in 2022, so it kind of feels strange. Yeah, but right now is a midday, so we will soon also meet a new year, the year of 2022. So it's just a matter of some hours. All right, and we're gonna catch up to it, Una. Yeah, but like I told you guys, you already will be watching this video in the new year. So I hope you guys had a nice Happy New Year party. Yeah. And what we will do for this New Year Eve, literally nothing. Because we are not creative at all. Yeah, so I cooked some oxtail today, and we did just called it a day. So yeah, and kids at home. Well, I just hope somebody will fire some fireworks around like they did on the Christmas day. But I don't know, in Jamaica it's a little bit rough with that, because you have to have some permission to fire fireworks. Well, in Russia people don't care, because like I already told you guys, like I already showed you guys, in Russia back in the days when I went to Russia, I showed you that about 80% of Russian people, they live in apartment buildings. So a lot of people, they do not have their private homes, they don't have their private territory. Yeah, some people might go on the ground floor, fire the fireworks, but because too much people, most people just fire their fireworks from their balconies. So you can literally see a person with the firework firing straight from the balcony, straight on you, if you live in the building in front. And that's not a big deal in Russia. Because on that day nobody business, so God go with you if something gonna fly and catch you. If something gonna fly on your balcony. But most balconies are like they put glass on them, so it kind of rare something happens like that. But anything can happen still, but it's not really complicated in Russia. But I heard like in Jamaica it is more strict. So well, let's see what today will happen. It's New Year's Eve. People normally fire fireworks, so let's see if I can catch some for you guys. Can install another video so you can see fireworks, but Jamaican fireworks. Yeah, but my dream is to go to New York one day and meet a new year there in New York, because I used to see in those movies how the people they count down to a new year. I don't know, it feels so I don't know, it just feels so right, so accurate. I don't want to do this too. I want to count, like like a lot of people around you, and you feel and but it just feels so New Yearish. That's my dream, that's my little dream, to meet a new year one time in New York. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I already messaged all my family members in Russia, yeah, and congratulate them with a new year. Yeah, some of them already drunk. Yeah, because you don't know, Russian table full of food and drinks, especially drinks them, so people are having fun this night. Like I told you, in Russia people mostly celebrate New Year than Christmas. Yeah, so after them time today here, so I hope you enjoyed your New Year too. Alright, so it's already 2022. Yeah, tomorrow will be not, but you guys already watching me in this year. Oh, you understood me. So you guys, it's 1 hour and a half to a New Year, and well, guess what we're doing? Harold is eating banana chips and drinking lemonade. Yeah, but I decided to put a nice dress to meet a New Year in something pretty. I told Daryl to take a shower before 12 o'clock. I can't dirty. I meet New Year dirty. I need to be clean and fresh, you know, ready for the New Year, Danny. Yeah, but I'm still lazy to put makeup. But I need to put makeup though. Yeah, I need to be beautiful when New Year comes. Yeah, we're just going to watch some Christmas movie. Danny, stop.
Yeah, I'm having a blast.
You're having a blast with your lemonade and banana chips. We're going to watch outside fireworks. That is the program. You can put some makeup though.
If there's any fireworks, say alright, where's all about makeup? Alright. You don't need any makeup.
Fresh, like a spring. Christmas tree, aka New Year tree, and Danny there. Hey Daddy. Netflix there. What more you can ask for? Family. Huh?
For New Year for Danny to school.
Yeah, it will be a wish. You know, you need to make a wish when 12 o'clock comes. You have to make a wish.
There's 3 more days.
Of course you have to make a wish. Or do you only one time something like that comes? You need to make a wish. Make a wish, no? Yes, man, you have to make a wish. So think about it. You have 1 hour and 30 minutes. I always make wishes, and so far most of them came true. So
Daniel?
This is a very important part of New Year's Eve for me.
Oh, it's scratchy! I'm so scratchy!
Get scratcher.
Scratch the man. Scratch the man, But did I scratch him though?
You get too much trouble. That's not scratching.
We don't have no sticks.
No, you think come scratch.
Mommy, throw away the garden.
You start getting more trouble. I'm gonna make it scratchy, yeah.
That's why mommy make it. That's why mommy throws away the garden.
Personal scratcher.
Yeah. I didn't tell you to eat that even.
Oh, am I beat you up while you're scratching, but right?
You know, when you do the taste one challenge, you put the beer in the middle.
No, I'm not on this challenge. It's
No,
already old.
It's old.
Gone already.
No one say, ooh. Put you,
Of course me.
Put him in the middle, or you will left for me.
Daniel go run to you, and Leo will think.
Put him around to
Because I left you with Danny Fallon.
Put the vaccine
He still remembers. He still remembers.
You think you told him around to you think so?
I don't know.
Oh, alright. You know, make you feel sad. They will run to you.
Christmas.
Guys, we are going outside. We are outside and nobody is outside. I think it was a bad idea to go outside. To just watch from our house. So we are not alone. People are waiting on the fireworks too. Yeah, down the pool area, like good amount of people. Everybody would hope something will be fired tonight. I'm not here. No, nobody. What you mean? Yes, some people are wait. Some people with the champagne. Should I carry a drink though? Yeah. So see that pool. Oh, wait. Wait, let see nothing. Guys, pretty area. Yes, somebody say something. Oh, everybody just come out here close to 12 o'clock. It's 10 minutes, 15 minutes to 15. Oh, really? Ada magalago?
No.
If double look, I'm red. I'm red. Should I carry a drink? Yeah. Some champagne to meet a new year. Ooh, we need to join those guys. Say, what are you doing here? It's good. What are you doing?
I like this vibe. Daniel?
Yeah, guys. Friday 31st.
Come back here.
5 minutes to Happy New Year, guys.
Yeah, can see.
Yeah, I was thinking like all the sky will be in it. See something. Dog passing.
Oh,
Bye.
see it?
Alright.
I don't see the...
Guys, anywhere we listen to the sound of fireworks. Everyone, let's go down there, maybe.
If you go on the elements, you don't want it?
No.
If you go near the
It's alright. Yeah. New Year came to Jamaica. Is it?
somebody too further.
Yeah! Look for this one. That look beautiful. Yeah! Yes! That's what I'm saying. Look. You like it, Danny?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow! Hi! Oh! So cute. Let's take it
Yes. Jamaica got the fireworks. What do you see, Errol? Got some nice fireworks. Yeah.
Whoa!
Yes. Need to dirt a little bit. So your new year surely will be happy. You see me? Yeah. Beat it with a dirt. Guys, you don't know, new year already stepped in, so we are gonna sleep. A time for we hold on up. Time for sleep. You ready to sleep, Leo? Ready to sleep? I see Leo nearly missed the firework because he nearly fell asleep. Danny wasn't sleeping, Danny fresh, but Leo nearly missed, so yep. Yeah, Errol. So time to sleep.
Time to sleep.
Come, doops. Time to sleep.